It's Bruce Fummey here. I am outside Perth's prestige kilt maker, Shilling Fitz. Why am I here, I hear you ask? Come in and I'll show you. So, the reason I'm in Shilling Fitz today is because if you watch my YouTube channel, Scotland History Tours, you probably remember I had my own Fummey Scotland History Tours tartan designed. And the colours are my two nations, the blue and white of Scotland and the red, gold, green and black of Ghana. And here it is. Isn't it fantastic? And that is why we're here today. Let me show you. This is my laddie, Zach. He's home for a month from Australia, and whilst he was back home here in Scotland, he had to do two things. Number one, get a proper curry, and number two, come into Shilling Fitz to have a kilt made. And this is it. The first ever Fummey Tartan Scotland History Tours kilt. Look at that, hand stitched at Shilling Fitz. Isn't that fantastic? Now, you probably want to know who made it. Let me show you. This is Lee Fitzpatrick, the maestro master kilt maker at Shilling Fitz. He's got a tash to match his masterful kilt making, hasn't he? Now, if you want a perfect hand-stitched kilt, then come and see Lee. Or, if that seems too much, you can still have a Fummey Tartan Scotland History Tours scarf, lamb's wool, 100%. Come and get either a scarf or a kilt. A scarf or a kilt. Go to my shop at www.scotlandhistorytours.co.uk/shop. Now you probably want to see a video of how this tartan was designed. Click the link.